Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Massimo. I'm from Italy and guess what? I'm thrilled to be here with you. Now we are diving into the architecture world. I've chosen to explore this topic by using a method called why, what, how. To get insights, I talked to some of our clients, Giacomo, Anto, Patrick, and Gianluca. Let's start with the why. I asked Giacomo this question and he said to me, Massimo, I need a solution that helps me connect emotionally with my clients. I was curious and I asked him to tell me more. Giacomo then showed me several amazing projects. Among these, a project impressed me. Here you can recognize it in an animated view and here in a rendering done with the integrated Redshift engine. This project was made for two business owners. The architect, Giacomo, worked hard to meet their needs, paying attention to even the little details. For instance, one owner loves wine, so Giacomo designed a special area for wine under the stairs. Since they enjoyed hosting friends, Giacomo made sure the living space was large and welcoming. They also needed places to work, so Giacomo included a small office. Knowing they were too busy for a regular gym visit, Giacomo added a workout area in the basement. Well, this project was all about understanding and fulfilling what the clients wanted, making their home not just a building, but a reflection of their lifestyle. This building was built near Milan. Within the ALLPLAN project, there is a collection of technical drawings including maps, layouts, floor plans, views, and sections. Each beam component has a lot of information and can be analyzed in different ways by using labels, legends, reports, and more. Now we turn to the second question. What do you need for your everyday work? It's time to hear from Anto. Anto tells me he requires a tool that lets him work with different levels of detail. He wants to start with a basic model and improve it to get a very detailed one. He wants to check the model to look at certain parts, such as only the structural parts made of concrete or wood. Anto also needs a smart way to isolate objects, turning them on or off, and assign to them key information, such as classification, material, or a link to the manufacturer website. Now, let's talk with Patrick. Patrick works with very complex models, where standard design don't apply. Think about irregular walls, intricate roofs, and so on. What Patrick needs is a flexible tool that enables him to create this kind of models. Here, you can get an idea and see how all drawings, plans, views, and sections, are directly derived from the model. This includes typical 2D elements like dimension line, obviously all done in ALLPLAN thanks to its powerful integrated 2D engine. We also have some impressive rendering and a side-by-side comparison of the ALLPLAN project with the actual building as seen on Google Maps. Patrick frequently collaborates with construction companies. Here you can see a classic building that needs to be renovated. Measurement of the building can be taken traditionally or with laser scanning technology. Using this data, the model can be recreated in ALLPLAN together with all drawings needed. Here you can see the model in an animated view, and here there is the final result. The work of Patrick is very helpful for real estate agencies because he makes documents that help in selling properties. By the way, are you interested in one of these apartments? I'm very sorry for you. Sold out. Patrick frequently deals with projects involving subdivisions. In other words, he requires a solution that enables him to manage multiple sub-projects within a single main project. In this example, buildings are shown in different colors thanks to the color coding method in our object palette. Let me share with you different perspectives of this great project and the final result. Now let's introduce Gianluca, who frequently participates in public tenders. Gianluca has developed a workflow that enables him to quickly produce all necessary documents to successfully complete and win these tenders. In this example, the project is a renovated school. You can observe the complete project, a plan view, an animated view, and several renderings made with Lumion, one more beautiful than the other. Gianluca prefers to design the interior furnishing directly in ALLPLAN. Why? This approach allows him to better analyze the use of the spaces. Only after he transfers data to Lumion to create appealing renderings. Let's explore another fantastic project brought to life by Gianluca. This project embodies our motto designed to build perfectly. You can see a construction site featuring a stunning new school, complete with innovative structural solutions. There is an animated view that showcases the design evolution, as well as a technical plan view. In this animation, you can get the workflow used by ALLPLAN. Regardless of the building site that you are designing, the workflow remains consistent. The process starts with the definition of your 3D model. From this model, you can generate several drawings and documents. If you make any changes to your model, all associated drawings and documents will automatically update to reflect these changes. Moving on to the third question, how does ALLPLAN support designers? Well, ALLPLAN is a flexible tool that supports a wide range of materials, including masonry, cast-in-place concrete, precast concrete, timber, and steel construction. Steel is frequently used also by architects. Here you can recognize a couple of examples from Giacomo. Well, ALLPLAN simplifies the process of creating steel connection, making it accessible even to those who are not specialists in this area. Let's see the workflow. Imagine you have a column, 2 beams, and a bracing. Selecting all these elements, ALLPLAN promptly suggests a connection solution. If the initial proposal doesn't meet your needs, you have the flexibility to modify it by adjusting the number of bolts, welds, and dimensions of plates according to your needs. As you know, facades play a significant role in modern architecture. ALLPLAN enables you to design facades in an exceptionally intuitive manner. You can divide your facade by inputting values for vertical and horizontal subdivisions, or adjust the subdivisions graphically by directly selecting the elements. Additionally, you can match an existing 2D pattern to get the facade scheme you are looking for. Modification can be made at any time. For example, you can manage borders in the same manner as you would in Microsoft Excel or Word. You also have the possibility to replace certain elements with something different. For instance, you can replace specific glazed panels with tinted ones. Finally, you can integrate in your facade doors or windows created by using our Smart Part technology. GIS data can enhance architectural and urban planning projects by providing a comprehensive understanding of the project environment. The GIS Connector feature allows the direct import of GIS data by using this workflow. First, you select a specific area of interest. Next, you define what elements you want to focus on, such as buildings, terrain, and streets. Then you import your data in different ways: terrain points, point clouds, or 3D surfaces. And that's it. You are now looking at a detailed model of Trento, my hometown, integrated within ALLPLAN in no time. Now let's discuss content. To achieve a high level of realism, architects often use detailed materials, also known as surfaces. Take, for example, this model of a simple sphere. With the right material and a bump effect applied, it appears as a highly detailed 3D object. On one hand, ALLPLAN offers a great selection of ready-to-use materials. On the other hand, you can customize your surfaces by using content available on the web. How do you customize a surface? First, you identify the right material, download it, and then combine all texture to create your custom surface. Sounds simple? Indeed it is. But how does ALLPLAN simplify this process even further? Through the Content Connector. With this tool, you simply select the material you need, and ALLPLAN automatically generates a ready-to-use surface for you. And of course, you can modify it at any time, as you prefer. Talking about content, I've already mentioned how the right content can help share your ideas with the final client. On one hand, ALLPLAN allows the import and export of a wide range of file formats. On the other hand, our Content Connector offers direct access to the huge content library of the 3D warehouse provider. This feature allows you to search for and directly download models into ALLPLAN. Once imported, the model is automatically converted into a Python part object. What does this mean for you? It means flexibility. At any point, you can choose to modify the model. For instance, you might improve the surface to better reflect the surroundings on the car's body. By the way, be careful, a vehicle cannot circulate without a license plate. At this stage, I'm ready to check if the paint on my car body achieves the effect I'm looking for by changing the background sky image. Let me check. I like it. Okay, now let's start a rendering using one of the rendering engines available in ALLPLAN. In roughly 45 seconds, ALLPLAN provides a pleasing outcome, and you can enhance it even further. In conclusion, ALLPLAN is designed to accelerate your workflow. As you have seen, the concept of speed is deeply included in our DNA, enabling you to achieve efficient and high-quality results quickly. This focus on speed, without sacrificing quality, underscores ALLPLAN's commitment to empowering architects and designers to bring their creative vision to life effectively. Let's talk about improving communication. ALLPLAN provides different ways to present your project. For instance, you can use the navigation mode or fly mode features to look around your model. These features within ALLPLAN are designed to make your presentation more dynamic and engaging, allowing for clear and effective communication of your vision to your clients. Another effective technique for enhancing your presentation is to calculate a rendering. The Redshift engine, based on the GPU of your NVIDIA card, allows you to get high-quality results in no time. For those aiming to achieve amazing results, the combination of ALLPLAN project modeling capabilities and Cinema 4D powerful rendering enables the creation of visually stunning presentations. Here you can appreciate some examples from Patrick, As you can see, the model is brought to life with unbelievable realism. Impressive. Bravo, Patrick. Welcome to the world of Lumion. With the integration of live sync technology, you can export and synchronize your model from ALLPLAN directly into Lumion. This streamlined process allows you to enhance your project with a huge library of assets and achieve great results in terms of renderings and videos. Let's explore the world of the epic games, with a particular focus on Twinmotion, as it opens exciting possibilities for a virtual reality experience. The direct link allows you to export and synchronize your ALLPLAN model directly into Twinmotion. In Twinmotion, you can easily prepare and update dynamic slides. For instance, changing the color of a car or the background image. This flexibility allows for seamless transition between different visual scenarios of your project. The magic aspect comes when you publish your model to the cloud. Why is this so impactful? After publishing, you get a link or a QR code to share with your clients. This means your clients can navigate through your model using any browser, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or whatever you want. This feature improves the presentation and review process, providing a highly interactive and immersive experience that can be used from anywhere at any time. Moreover, the flexibility extends to mobile devices, such as tablets or smartphones. You can navigate within your model using your fingers, or a special icon enabling you to rotate your smartphone to find the right point of view. For a more immersive experience, think about using a virtual reality headset with your smartphone. While this combination, ALLPLAN and Twinmotion, allows clients to walk through the virtual space as if they were really there, providing a strong and engaging way to explore and understand the project design and scope. Well, unfortunately, my time is up. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Make the right choice. See you. Ciao.